Please tag your photographer. In all honesty, when I take a photo and the client posts it but doesn't tag me, it kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. Yeah, I know they paid me for my work and that's great and all, but what people fail to understand is how important that tag really is. When people are scrolling on Instagram and they see your great photo that was taken by a photographer and they wonder, hey, who took this? I might want to book them. And they scroll through the photo and they don't see a tag, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to DM you and ask for that shooter's info. They're probably going to keep scrolling and move on. But you not tagging that photographer possibly cost them a client. And yes, I know you don't have to tag the photographer. You can do whatever you want, but keep in mind, word of mouth marketing is very important to businesses, especially small businesses like a photographer's shooting business. To tag a photographer is a small step for you, and it may indeed help that shooter's life out greatly. So please tag your photographer. After all, everyone does deserve credit for their work, even if you have already paid them.